The word holistic comes from the word holism. Holism is the idea that whole is greater than sum of individual parts. So if you add up individual parts of something, then some of those parts will be less than the whole thing. For example, let us say that there are 4 candidates that I can hire for my startup. One is good in web design and is willing to work for rupees 10,000 a month. The other is good in video editing and is willing to work for rupees 7,000 a month. While the third is good in English and is willing to work for rupees 13,000. Now, there's a fourth candidate who is good in English, web design and in video editing, but is asking for a salary of rupees 40,000 a month. Should I hire 3 candidates or should I hire only the fourth one? Well, I should hire only the fourth one because the cross-sectional knowledge that he will have and the kind of products that he will be able to deliver by combining all the 3 skills will be much more valuable than some of the parts. There you are. That's the concept of holism. From the word holism, we get the word holistic. So, the word holistic describes a way of looking at things or situations as a whole instead of looking at individual parts. Let's have some examples here. My doctor takes a holistic approach to disease. So, my doctor focuses on not just giving medicines but also focuses on diet, exercise as well as psychological health while treating the patients. The course aims to develop in students a holistic approach to design, an all-around approach to design. Good schools should focus on holistic education. एक अच्छा स्कूल वही है जो स्टूडेंट्स की ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट पर फोकस करे. Holistic, covering the whole of a thing and not just individual parts. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my